Hi, I wanted to jump on the screencast and share how to complete a couple of the different projects we are working on with the Secret Garden. So the first one is the point of view writing project, and everything is loading right now. So we are on our main page, and the first thing we're going to do is go into our classes, and we're going to go to our English class. Once here, I'm going to keep moving this screen around so you can see all the functions. Once here, we're going to scroll down through our English class announcements, and we're going to go to the part that says the garden project. Here, I'm going to keep going, and we see the point of view project. So we see the instructions are here. That has the definitions of the different points of view, what's expected. We have project examples. We have a letter creator. We talked about this in class. It will take your text from a Microsoft document and it will make it look like handwritten script, and you can change like the backgrounds to make it look like handwritten letters. And then the turn and tray. So what we have been encouraging the students to do is you can either open up the instruction or you can open up a blank Word document. So I'm going to show you both ways depending on which one fits your needs. So I'm going to scoot my screen up because I think this is where sixth graders do struggle the most. So point of view project instructions, I'm going to open that. When I click that, it's actually going to pop up in my download. So from there, I'm going to open this and multiple copies, but I'm going to minimize one. And here we have all of our instructions, okay? And you can scroll down after you read those. And there's like the page, and then you can start writing like, Dear Mr. Craven, I don't know why. And then you can be your character if you're doing first person point of view, or if you're doing third person, you can say, Dear Reader, by now, and then, whatever you choose, boys and girls, to, write with. So point of view first person, point of view third limited, point of view third omniscient, you get to pick. Once you do that, you're going to save this document so that you can attach it in a minute. However, if that's not the route you want to go and you want to actually, that you're supposed to write a point of view letter or journal entry, you can go down to your Windows. You can just open up a Word document. From here, you will click a new one and you can start writing on your blank document. And then the same steps of saving and then submitting. So hopefully this is really helpful. Again, it's a lot of student choice on which character they want to be, which point of view, so that we can make sure that you're understanding the different points of view in a fun and creative project. So hopefully this helps.